Yo, what's up, Chips? It's your boy DC The Truth. It's hot as shit out here today. There'll be little to no editing today. And yes, I got on my male version of the bonnet. Hey, what's that commercial back in the day? Listen, chump. Hey, listen, chump. Just because I got my male version of the bonnet on don't mean I can't take your girl. Now, just playing, I don't need your girl. Now that that's out the way, it's hot as shit. Let's get to the topic at hand. How to block ads on YouTube on your mobile phone. Of course, you guys know with the desktop is very easy. You have like ad block plus, all this other stuff. Any little ad blocker you comfortable with, they have it. Now, mobile phones are a little tricky. You used to be able to, YouTube or old, be able to download apps in the Play Store and they will work. They no longer work with newer Android versions, and of course, you know, iPhone, y'all was already kind of limited unless you jailbroke your phone. But I'm about to get ready to play the clip of the tutorial I made for you guys, but I just want to put a disclaimer out there for you content creators that thinking I'm messing you up out there. No, I'm just keeping it real for the people. There are creators on here that abuse the ad system, which, by the way, like I say, I am an MIT at YouTube University. That's how I figured out how to do this. And being a MIT graduate at YouTube, I also learned that too, if you guys haven't already know, as content creators, the way YouTube had did changes with the ad system, we're not really getting paid like we're supposed to. You know, I think before it was like straight, whatever your CPM was, that's what you was getting paid by. But you know, they was kind of masking what they was taking. But now they got to show you. So I guess your actually what you make is your RPM, and you know, every view you get is like it's like a third of a penny, pretty much. So it comes down to this: every 1,000 of views you accumulate on a video, this not even including the people that are using the ad blockers and things of that nature or whatever. And then some ads are not really paying like that. But just the general gist, every 1,000 views you get on YouTube, whatever your RPM rate is, that's what you get for every 1,000 views. So when you had that jackass that didn't get his video monetized, you know, hey, you got thousands and thousands, and then you say you got close to 1 million views, man, you really fumbled that bad. But yeah, that's how. Let's say for me, my CPM would be, hell, I forgot what it is. Let's just say it was $5.15. So for every 1,000 views I get on my channel for something, and it doesn't always equate. It's like $5 for every 1,000 views. So y'all do the math. This is why people feel that when they spam the channel, they doing a good thing. You actually turning viewers off. Again, like I say, ads are a good way to take a nice break. Oh damn, y'all, I don't know what happened. My video got cut off, but I just want to say something real quick. Your creator's gonna support you regardless. You know, so you don't have to make everything about monetization a lot of times. Sometimes it's about just getting that fan base, getting new people in, you know, which is more important, the money or getting your foot, building your base first. So you got to think like that. So all right, you guys, on with the tutorial. Y'all take it easy. Hope y'all enjoy it. Let's go to the phone. Hopefully you guys can hear me. This is the tutorial again of how to block YouTube ads. Hopefully you came here for my video intro, but let's get into it. For example, this YouTuber Flight Reacts, I know he likes to post a lot of ads, right? So let's click on this video. What it do, Flight? Okay, you see all these yellow marks. These are the ads. So what I simply do is, hey, true.
FTC. Do you spend more on groceries, transportation, or entertainment? Make seeing your spending habit.
Again, you may have to watch one ad or so, but you see it. I skip to the end and I get this button. Now watch this. Click the button in the center to refresh.
What it do, flight crew?
No ads. Thank me later. And y'all always support your creator. Man, you got big YouTubers that's just spamming it and they living off of this and just getting ridiculous with the ads where it's uncomfortable. This is the only reason I would advise it. But I always support your creators. All right, this is your boy DC The Truth. I'm out of here. For real.
Honestly, I don't know who the fuck to trust. Is he my friend or my foe? I'm a exit, draw. Yeah, she give me that claim as well. I remember back when I was younger, I was happy. Nowadays, feel like no one understand me. I'm good at artists, silly, I'm bought, blame me. Baby's yellow, text.